This is not just a vehicle. This is a masterpiece of modern automotive engineering, a statement of power, presence, and refinement that demands attention the moment it appears. The moment you lay eyes on it, the bold vertical chrome grille dominates the front fascia, its sheer size and precise geometry communicating strength and authority. Every line on the front bumper, every sculpted corner of the fascia, has been designed with intention, to give the vehicle an aggressive yet elegant presence. The LED headlights are not mere illumination, they are a signature, piercing through the darkness with precision. Paired with amber daytime running lights, they create a contrast that draws the eye, signaling confidence, control, and an unwavering focus on detail. From a distance, the SUV exudes dominance. Its wide stance, muscular shoulders, and long sculpted hood make it clear that this is a machine built for adventure, for performance, and for those who refuse to compromise. Yet despite its commanding exterior, the lines remain elegant, flowing seamlessly from front to rear. The bodywork is a harmonious blend of toughness and sophistication. Matte black and gunmetal finishes accentuate the contours, absorbing and reflecting light in a way that creates depth and intensity, giving the SUV a sense of movement even while standing still. Every surface, every edge, has been treated with care to maintain a balance between rugged off-road capability and luxurious urban presence. Moving along the side profile, the muscular wheel arches frame massive all-terrain tires that hint at the SUV's unparalleled off-road potential. These wheels are not just functional, they are a design statement, combining strength, craftsmanship, and aesthetic appeal. The sharp character lines along the doors create a visual rhythm, a sense of motion frozen in time, as if the vehicle is ready to leap forward at any moment. Chrome accents along the window lines and subtle gunmetal trim elevate the design further, offering a refined contrast to the matte surfaces. Roof rails sit flush with the profile, adding utility without compromising the sleek, aerodynamic silhouette. The front left and right angles reveal the sophistication of its engineering. The interplay of shadows and reflections across the body highlights the precision of its sculpting. From this perspective, the muscular hood lines, the aggressive bumper, and the dynamic stance converge into a composition of power and elegance. Every detail has been meticulously considered, the airflow channels, the aerodynamic shapes, the subtle fender flares, all contributing to both performance and visual impact. It is not merely a car, it is an icon in motion, even when standing still. Approaching the rear, the SUV continues to assert its presence. LED taillights stretch across the width with a sleek, modern design, signaling refinement and attention to detail. The rear bumper is bold and sculpted, projecting strength while integrating seamlessly with the overall aesthetic. A wide stance at the back mirrors the front, completing the symmetry of authority. Every element from the exhaust tips to the rear reflectors has been crafted to balance functionality with a commanding visual language. The rear view communicates stability, control, and an unwavering readiness for any challenge ahead. And then there is the engine. Beneath the sculpted hood lies the heart of this masterpiece, a high-performance, twin-turbocharged V6 engine engineered for excellence. It is a powerhouse of raw energy, yet refined with precision, designed to deliver smooth acceleration, unwavering torque, and a driving experience that inspires confidence at every turn. This is not just about speed, it is about control, about a connection between man and machine that transforms every drive into an experience. The engine bay itself is a study in luxury and engineering prowess. Matte black covers with gunmetal accents, polished metallic components, and carefully routed hoses create a visual spectacle, blending form and function seamlessly. Every nut, bolt, and surface has been designed to communicate meticulous craftsmanship and performance readiness. When you start the engine, the SUV comes alive in a way that is both subtle and commanding. There is a low, resonant growl, a sound that is measured and refined, signaling the immense power contained within. Yet despite this raw capability, the drive is smooth, precise, and responsive. Every curve in the road, every incline, is met with confidence and stability. The suspension, calibrated for both off-road toughness and urban comfort, absorbs and adapts with ease. Even on the roughest terrain, the vehicle maintains composure, reassuring the driver with a feeling of absolute command. Its off-road capability is unparalleled. Every component, from the reinforced chassis to the advanced traction control systems, has been engineered for exploration. Hill climbs, rocky paths, muddy trails, and desert expanses become accessible without compromise. The SUV approaches each obstacle with intelligence, distributing power where it is needed, maintaining balance, and delivering the confidence that only a well-engineered machine can provide. Yet this capability does not come at the expense of luxury. The SUV is a sanctuary of design and detail, projecting elegance even in the harshest conditions. Matte finishes, reflective accents, and sculpted surfaces combine with the play of light and shadow to create a visual experience that is cinematic and commanding. The aesthetic extends beyond raw performance. Aerodynamics are subtly integrated into the design, ensuring efficiency while maintaining the SUV's imposing presence. The hood and roof lines guide airflow seamlessly, reducing drag without compromising the muscular stance. Every vent, every crease, every surface has been studied to balance function with beauty. This is a vehicle that speaks of technology, artistry, and modern engineering all at once. As the SUV moves, it transforms its environment. Streets and trails alike respond to its presence. The wheels carve a path with authority, while the body remains poised, elegant, and commanding. The interplay of shadow and reflection across the matte black and gunmetal surfaces creates a sense of motion even when stationary. Light catches on the chrome accents, the grille, and the trims, highlighting the sophistication and attention to detail invested in every inch of the exterior. This is more than an SUV, it is a companion for those who demand excellence. It is built for those who lead, not follow, for those who refuse to settle for mediocrity. The power under the hood is not just numerical, it is experiential. Every press of the accelerator translates to confidence, every corner taken with precision reflects control. Whether climbing mountains, navigating city streets, or cruising along highways, this SUV embodies the pinnacle of engineering and design. The SUV also commands a presence through subtle details that separate it from the ordinary. LED accents, the curvature of the fenders, the precise alignment of panels, and the finish of the paint create a sense of cohesion and sophistication. Every detail is a message, strength, refinement, and uncompromising quality. It does not shout, it asserts itself through confidence, proportion, and poise. Even the reflections of the environment across its surfaces add to the cinematic quality. The glossy gunmetal highlights catch the morning sun, while the matte black absorbs and diffuses light to create a dynamic and immersive visual presence. These reflections are not accidental, they are part of the design philosophy, merging environment and machine into a seamless experience. Driving this SUV is an immersive experience. It is not just about reaching a destination, it is about the journey itself. Each gear shift, each turn, each surge of power is communicated to the driver with clarity and precision. Technology works in harmony with human instinct, enhancing awareness and responsiveness without intrusion. Every mile is met with assurance, every terrain challenge met with capability. It is a vehicle that inspires trust, confidence, and excitement in equal measure. From city streets to off-road adventures, this SUV is a symbol of mastery. It merges the thrill of performance with the serenity of luxury, the ruggedness of off-road capability with the sophistication of modern design. It is built to dominate roads, command attention, and deliver an experience that is both visceral and refined. It does not simply carry you, it elevates you. The experience of ownership goes beyond the physical. It is the pride of commanding a vehicle that represents achievement, engineering excellence, and uncompromising attention to detail. Every angle, every surface, every reflection communicates a story of dedication, creativity, and innovation. From the grille to the taillights, from the powerful engine to the sculpted body, this SUV embodies a philosophy of excellence. As you approach it, even before touching the wheel, it communicates readiness. It is a vehicle that demands respect, that invites admiration, that reflects a legacy of innovation. Each journey in this SUV is more than transportation. It is an experience, a statement, a celebration of power, design, and capability. This SUV does not follow trends. It sets them. It does not seek approval. It commands presence. It does not compromise. It conquers.
Its combination of power, elegance, and sophistication defines what a modern luxury SUV should be.
The design is purposeful, the engineering meticulous, the performance undeniable. Every drive is an opportunity to explore, to challenge, to embrace adventure with confidence.
The SUV responds, adapts, and inspires. Roads are transformed into canvases of control and precision. Trails become tests of capability met with ease. Mountains and valleys, cities and highways, each presents an environment in which the SUV thrives.
It is a fusion of art and science, of beauty and brute strength. Its presence is a promise of power contained in elegance, of performance wrapped in sophistication. It does not simply move, it commands, impresses, and elevates everything around it. Every reflection, every shadow, every surface tells the story of innovation, mastery, and vision. It is not merely about what is visible. The essence of this SUV is felt, the weight of its capability, the precision of its handling, the confidence it inspires, and the exhilaration of its performance. It is an experience that engages the senses, challenges expectations, and redefines what it means to drive a luxury SUV. The engine, the body, the stance, the details. They all converge to create something extraordinary. A vehicle that represents a perfect balance between modern luxury and rugged capability. It is powerful without being reckless, sophisticated without being fragile, aggressive without being chaotic.
It is perfection in motion.
For those who drive it, it is more than a vehicle.
It is empowerment. It is freedom. It is mastery. It is the embodiment of excellence in every sense.
From the first glance to the last mile, it captivates, excites, and commands respect. It does not follow the road, it owns it. It does not blend into the crowd, it defines the path. This SUV is a statement. It is vision. It is power. It is innovation. It is luxury. It is freedom. It is everything a modern driver could desire, packaged in a machine that is as commanding as it is refined, as capable as it is elegant, as thrilling as it is reassuring. It is not just a car. It is a legend in the making. It is the ultimate luxury SUV experience.